So these two are two different programs. Okay, so what will be an output of this program and what will be an output of this program? Do not try this out on your computer. Try to analyze it line by line and see what is happening and come up with the answer. Okay, so the answer for the first part is 8. Again, it's very simple. We are calling the function func within the print function. When we are calling the function, what we are passing here is a dictionary. When we pass any value, that will be assigned to the variable, the parameter name. So now this dictionary, entire dictionary, is assigned to the variable name D. So D is now our dictionary. Okay. Now D, you are using a keyword, key 2. So what value associated with 2 is 3. Okay. Similarly, what value associated with the high is 5. So 3 plus 5, it would return 8, and it will be printed out. It will print 8. Yeah. Okay. Here, D1, D2 are both dictionaries. We are just performing any random operation, DEL, which does not make any difference on the output. Here, what we are doing here is we are accessing the key high from our dictionary D1. So it will return the value associated with high. So high has a value 4. So 4 plus 1 is become 5, and now we are updating also the value of high. Okay, so 5 will be assigned to high, and then what we are doing is we are checking first if high is in D1, which is true. High is a part of D1, and by in D2 had also exist. And this is an AND operator, which means both of the inputs should be true in order for this condition to be satisfied. Okay, so this condition will satisfy, and then this part will execute. If block will execute, which is high, so it will capture the value high. It was previously defined 4, but it is being updated here in this line. Okay, so it is now 5 plus D2 by, which is minus 5, so it will return 0. Okay. So again, it's very simple. You need to be able to understand the code, and this is how you would be actually responding to questions in exam. Okay. Any question here, or anything that is causing you any confusions? Okay.